Hi everyone, Mr. Silva here with another video. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to design a baby on board car decal so you can make some money. And the best of it is you can use a free online design tool. You don't have to spend any money on fancy software to design this decal. It's pretty simple. Let me show you. Before I show you, I just want to remind you that I make videos every week about how to make money with vinyl decals. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can do it now. Stay tuned. Let's get started. Okay, so the first things we have to do is find a good baby image. We can find very nice images on Google and use them, or you can use your own if you want to make like a custom image for the decal. So I already got mine, and the online tool I was talking about in the intro, it is called Canva.com. Here on Canva.com you can do most easy illustrations. If you have a really easy illustration and not so complicated, you can do it here. So this is an alternative to Photoshop or any other design software, and this is completely free. You just have to put your email address and create a password, and you're good to go. So the cool thing about this online tool is it saves all your work here. Well, I'm already logged in here, so I don't have to do it right now. It shows all your designs, all the designs you already work on, and you can easily access the designs if you want to reuse them. Okay, so but in this case we're gonna create a brand new design, and what we do right here on the right top, we go to create design, and then it gives you some suggested sizes for your work, but in this case we're gonna use a custom size, and we're gonna use a letter size, which is 8.5, and we're gonna work with inches, so 8.5 by 11, and then we go here to create design. So this is the work area. We're just trying. The cool thing about this is you just drop whatever element from the left and you place it on the workspace, and you set it up the way you want. So it's pretty easy. So right here on the left side we have this menu with all the features here. There are some paid features, but most of them you can get them free. So you have upload here. These are all the images you already upload for your work, and you have photos here. You have a bunch of photos you can use for your projects. You have some elements here, some icons, some basic shapes. You have text. You can even add some music to your project. if you want to make a video or something like that. They have some short videos for you to use. Some of them free, some of them are a paid feature. And you have some backgrounds. This is definitely really nice. It's a really nice free tool. Okay, but let's get to the decal creation. So we're gonna need the image first. In my case, I already have the image I'm gonna use, but I haven't uploaded here to the workspace. So I go here and you upload an image, and then it asks you where you have your image saved so they can upload it. So in my case, it's in my computer, it's in the device, and I have here the baby boy. So once you upload your image, it's gonna show on the left side. So you just have to drag it here. Okay, so we have the baby picture or baby image already here. So we have to align it in the center. So these two lines, the vertical and the horizontal line, means that it's completely in the center, which is pretty cool. And now we need to put some text, and we are gonna to create the heading. So you take the text here and you put it on top. So we're gonna put baby on board, and then we align the text right in the middle, and then you can copy the same text box if you don't want to use another one. So it's a way to keep the consistency. So you just press Alt on your keyboard and click it and drag it, and you can copy the text box you just did. And you can put here, if it's a custom decal, you can put the name here, the name of the baby, for example. So you can do, I don't know, Brandon. And this way you're already designing, less than 5 minutes you design a decal. And then the next step is, if you're happy with the result, you go to right here to the right top, and it says download. So when you click download, it asks you about the format. I usually use PNG for my designs because PNG give you a transparent background. So when I take the file to the Cutter Machine software, it's easier for me to do it. So I'm gonna leave it like that. It's a PNG, and you can select here. This is a paid feature. Okay, so you can choose from PNG, JPG, or PDF. So let's do it JPG this time, and then you just click download, and it's working on the file. And then you go to your you open your design, and there you go. Here you have the design of a baby on board decal. Really quick, really nice. Okay, this is it for the video. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section below. If you want me to make a specific decal video, let me know in the comments. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and do it now. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.